Hi, my name is Lindy from Project Portfolio Office, and in this video I will demonstrate how to access and customize your board views in PPO. So board views are supported on all list pages in PPO as well as your home page. For demonstration purposes, I'm on my demand list. So if I want to get to my board view for my demand items, I simply hover over View and click on Board. So that takes me to my demand board. The board allows you to apply a group by. I've selected the portfolio type field. You can also configure a workflow. I used status in this example. So we've got our logged analysis approved and rejected. You can hide these sections by using the hide icon on the right hand side to collapse the sections. I'm just going to open up the one. The great thing about the board view is its interactivity. So firstly, you can edit on the card itself. The fields that you're able to edit are the fields that you've selected to show on the card itself. So yeah, I'm just going to change the business priority from critical to high, and you'll see that update on the card. If need be and you need to see more information related to this demand, you just click through on the title and that takes you to the view page of that specific record. Even better than that, we have drag and drop functionality, so I can take this item that is in a logged status and just drag and drop it through to analysis. So even though these have been set up as default, you as a user have the ability to either change or update your own view that you can see. So we do this under the settings icon here on the far right hand side. If I click on that, here you will notice the card field. So these are the fields that are displayed on the card. So you might want to remove something, you might want to add a new field, or you might even want to change the sort order of the fields on your cards. You can select a page size. And here on the right hand side, this is where I have selected my portfolio type as the grouping. So it's this regulatory, run the business, and the transform and grow. And for the workflow field where I've selected my status, this is where you can configure your status. So I'm just going to save this one. There we go. In the beginning of the video, I mentioned that this is supported on the PPO homepage as well. So I'm just quickly going to demonstrate that. I've just selected my home tab. I can either include it in an existing tab or I can create a new tab. So here I've just added a panel and I'm going to select the board as my widget. I select the entity. I'm just going to stick with demand as an example. And here you've got your basic board. Easy enough to configure your grouping and your workflow. So yeah, I'm just going to select my business priority as my grouping field, and my workflow I'm going to keep as status. On the left hand side, I might not want to see the last updated field, and I want to change the sort order and just save. So that's how easy it is to set up a board view in PPO. I do hope you guys love this functionality, and thank you very much for watching.